Yeah.
It's nice.
Where did you go?
One mission store.
Hey everyone.
All the stuff.
Thanks for coming to the first alternative lecture of the semester. We have a great lineup of 3 Fulbright scholars this afternoon. We're going to be speaking about the metric system, bringing wisdom to these 2 gray areas. Oh wait, there's no. Okay, they know more than I do, obviously. And then we're also going to be seeing some shorts from the Slovakian. Where are they all from? What place? Or?
Yes, they're all Slovak.
Okay, but are they from one academy or 2?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So we have Magda Stehola and David Peña are going to give the lecture on metric system, and Misha Kapokova is going to explain a little bit about the short animations we're about to see. So, thanks.
So, welcome to the metric system, which is like kind of a very strong alternative to the system here in the United States. The only countries that you don't use metric system is United States, Liberia, and Burma.
The main idea behind the metric system when it was invented, it's actually very old. It was first adopted in France right before the French Revolution. Was to make a system based on objective magnitudes, like which allow to relate magnitudes of time, length, volume, weight, etc. And also that it will be decimated. That means that every unit, either bigger or smaller, will be obtained either by multiplying or dividing by 10. Not like the foot, which is, for instance, 12 inches, 1 yard is 3 feet, and 1 mile is 1,760 yards.
That's an alternative.
The first definition of meters were 2. The first was supposed to be one fractional 1/10,000,000, the distance between the North Pole and equator, or the length of the string of a pendulum with half period of 1 second. As you should know, the period of a pendulum depends on the gravitational force, which is constant on the Earth, and the length of the string. So, Magda will make this demonstration. The string is exactly 1 meter long, so this pendulum will pass right here once every second. Exactly.
Feels like a sex I thought of.
But since the distance between the North Pole and the equator and gravitation are not constants, the current definition is related to the speed of light, which speed of light traveling in the vacuum, which is non-constant. The volume in US customary system, something like this. 1 cup is made of 8 ounces, 1 pint is 2 cups, 1 quart is 2 pints, 1 gallon is 4 quarts. and metric system. 1 liter is 1,000 cubic centimeters, and a cubic meter, which the actual official unit is 1,000 liters, or a cube 1 by 1 meter.
So which means that a cube of 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters has volume of 1 liter. This cube here is a little bit smaller. It has like 9. The inside thing is 9.6 by 9.6 by 9.6 centimeters. So it should be 884 milliliters.
Which, again, for the mass, the pound, which there's actually like 9 different definitions of pound. The one you use here is the so-called international pound, international referring to USA, Liberia, and Burma, and 1 ton, the short ton, also known, is 2,240 pounds. The metric system, 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams, and 1 metric ton is 1,000 kilograms.
And 1 liter of water is 1 kilogram. This is not 1 kilogram, because it's 887.
So this is how, from time, the second, we define length, or from length, we can define area and volume, and from volume, we can define weight. It's quite an elegant system. This is the prefixes for fractions and for multiples and subdivisions. From the unit to the quadrillion and the quadrillion.